For the following three items. Read the following three passages and answer the items that follow the passages. Your answer to these items should be based on the passages only. Passage 1. To tackle the problem of pollution in cities, policymakers think that the drastic action like temporary use of odd even number scheme for vehicle, closing school, factories, construction activities, and banning the use of the certain type of the vehicle are way forward. Even then, the air is the not clean. Vehicle more than of the 15 years old of the comprise 1% of the total, and taking them off en route will not make any differences. Banning certain of the fuels and the car type of the arbitrarily is not proper. Diesel engine produce more PM 2.5 and less carbon dioxide than petrol or CNG engine. On the other hand, both diesel and CNG engine produce more nitrogen than the petrol engine. No one has measured the amount of nitrogen that CNG engine is emitting. Arbitrary bans of the vehicle that have passed mandate to the fitness test and the periodic pollution test are unfair. What is the need is the scientific and reliable information about the source of the pollutants on the continuing the basis and to the technology that will be what reduces the pollution from. Question number 21, based on the above basis, which of the following statement is the best reflect the most of the logical and rational implication conveyed by to the basis? Option A. Arbitrary curbs on vehicles to reduce the pollution are difficult to implement. Knee jerk, the reaction cannot be solved the problem and of population, but an evidence-based approach will more of the effective. A heavy penalty should be enforced on those driving without periodic pollution tests. In the absence of the laws to deal with the problem of pollution, the administration tends to make arbitrary decisions. Answer is option number B. Knee jerk reaction cannot be solved the problem of the pollution, but an evidence based on the approach will be more effective. Passage 2. Good corporate governance structure encourage the companies to provide to the accountability and control. A fundamental reason why the corporate of the government has moved on to the economic and political agenda worldwide has been of the rapid of the growth of the international capital of the market. Effective corporate governments enhance the access to the external facing by firm, leading to the great investment, higher growth and employment. Investors look to the place their funds where standard of disclosure of timely and accurate financial reporting and the equal treatment to stakeholder are met. Question number 22, based on the above passages, which of the following statement are the best reflect to the logical inference from the passages given of the above? Option A. It is an important to the agenda of to the countries around to the world to ensure to the access to good external financing. Option B. Good corporate governments improve the credibility of the firm. C. International capital markets ensure that the firms maintain the good corporate governments. Option D. Good corporate governments paves the way for robust supply of the same. Answer is option number B. Good corporate governments improve the credibility of the firms. Passage 3. Elephants are the landscape architects, creating the clearing in the forest and preventing the overgrowth of the certain plants of the species and allowing the space for the regeneration of the others, which in turn provide to the substance to the other herbivorous animals. Elephants eat to the plants and the fruit and to the seeds and to the propagating the seeds when they defect in other other places. As they travel, elephant duck provides the nourishment to the plant, and animals act as a breeding ground for insects. In time of drought, they access the water by digging the hole, which benefit to the other wildlife. Question number 23. Based on the above passages, which of the following of the statement best of the reflect to the most logical and rational inference that can be drawn from the above passages? Option A. The home range of the elephant needs to be a vast of the area of rich biodiversity. Elephants are the keystone to the species and they benefit to the biodiversity. Rich biodiversity cannot be maintained in the forest without to the presence of elephants. And option number D. Elephants are capable to the regenerating the forest with species as per their requirement. Answer is option number B. Elephants are to the keystone to the species and they benefit to the biodiversity. Question number 24. If 7 plus 9 plus 10 is equal to 8, 9 plus 11 plus 10, 30 is equal to 5, 11 plus 17 plus 21 is equal to 13, what is the value of 23 plus 4 plus 15? Option A 6, option B 8, option C 13, option D 15. Answer is option A 6. Question number 25. Let x be the positive integer such that 7x plus 96 is divisible by x. How many of the values of x are possible? Option A 10, option B 11, option C 12 and option D infinitely many. Answer is option C 12. Question number 27. Before moving to 27, we are discussed on 26. If P, Q, R and S are distinct the single digit positive number, then what is the greatest value of P plus Q into R plus S? Option A 230, option B 225, option C 224 and option D 221. Answer is option number B, that is 225. Question number 27. A number n is formed by writing 9 for the 99 times. What is the remainder if n is the divided by 13? Option A 11, option B 9, option C 7 and option D 1. Answer is option number A 11. Each of the digit of 9-digit number is 1. It is the multiplied by itself. What is the sum of the digit of the resulting of the number? Option A 64, option B 80, option C 81, and option D 100. Answer is option C 81. What is the sum of the all digits which appear in all the integer from 10 to 100? Option A 855, option B 856, option C 8910, option A D 911. Answer is option B, that is 856. ABCD is a square, 1 point on each of AB and CD, and two distinct of the point of each BC and DA are chosen. How many distinct triangles can be drawn using any of the 3 points as vertex out of this 6 points? Option A 16, option B 18, option C 20, and option D 24. Answer is option C, that is 20. Thank you.